Oh, yeah. Oh, God, yeah. Oh, yeah. Harder.
Can you keep your voice down?
That's not good.
Okay, who's ever making the noises, could you keep your voices down? Thank you.
It sounded like it. Well, it wasn't.
Harder. Oh, God, yeah.
It wasn't me, because I'm quiet. You hear my voice, don't you? You know good and well, my voice ain't that high. Don't even go there.
Oh, yeah. Do it. Spank me.
Yeah, I can't get into my library number.
Oh, okay. Do you have your card with you?
No, can you look me up by my name?
I can use your photo ID and look you up.
I don't have that.
Yeah, unfortunately, without your card or your photo ID, I can't look up
You
your
can't
account.
put my name in and find my account. That's a bummer.
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry.
All right.
So yeah, definitely just come back in with your photo ID and I would have your
Yeah,
account.
yeah, I'll do that.
Oh, yeah.
Where? Do you have it?
Everything okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have it? Do you have the?
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Flip me over, yeah.
You're gonna have to leave for the day.
I'm sorry.
You're gonna have to leave for the day.
I'm gonna have to leave.
What's your little device?
It's a pedometer.
Did you drop this? Is this yours? I saw it on the ground. I don't know. You passed by. I don't know. Is it yours? I don't know. Is it? Either way.
Yeah, either way.
Either way is fine. Either way.
No, you dropped this. You dropped it on this floor. It's not yours?
It's kind of childish.